Hello, this is Pat O'Connor, and I am really excited about the Harvey Federal Tax Refund Program. I believe we're going to help thousands, or hopefully tens of thousands of Texans get tax refunds from the federal government. But the question I'm hearing, and that I think most people are concerned about, is an IRS refund too good to be true? You know, if this is real, why isn't my CPA calling me, or my tax preparer? If this is real, why am I not seeing it on the news? Well, the reason is because very few people are aware of it. So I'm going to help you be aware of it. So I'm going to give you two topics to research. The first is Google IRS tax code 165. If you really want to know if this is real, Google IRS tax code 165 or Google casualty loss tax deduction. We are talking about refunds that many people will see in the range of $30,000 to $50,000 and higher. On a $500,000 home, if someone didn't have insurance, a refund in the range of $80,000 is entirely reasonable using only a 25% tax rate. So if you want a large tax refund because your house flooded, and particularly if you didn't have insurance, but you're thinking, this just can't be true, it's too good to be true, take the time, you owe it to yourself. Google IRS tax code 165 or casualty loss tax deduction. Tax rules favor real estate and they favor the rich. Let me tell you a story that hopefully will put it in some perspective for you. I had breakfast this morning with a gentleman that owns two apartment projects worth about $20 million each, among other properties, and the apartments flooded. Now, this gentleman is a CPA. Now, in fairness to him, he's not a practicing CPA. He's more of a real estate investor. And we got to talking about the Harvey program, and he was not aware that because his apartments flooded, that he was entitled to a casualty deduction. And as we talked about it, I think he is aware or entitled to about a $10 million tax deduction for these $40 million worth of apartments. $10 million. After visiting with him a little bit, I think he's going to be able to get about $5 million in refunds for the past 4 years, for 2013 to 2016. $5 million for one person. So how about you? Why shouldn't you get your refund, whether it's $10,000 or $30,000 or $50,000 or $80,000? Just because you're not rich doesn't mean you should generate or participate in this program that is often used by the rich. So this is a legitimate program. If you have a question, call your tax preparer, Google the two options I gave you, but this is a completely legitimate program. To sign up, go to harveyrefund.com, harveyrefund.com, or call 1-800-84-HARVEY, 1-800-84-HARVEY. Thanks very much, and I'll be back soon with more information.
Should be 833.